In this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 reasons why I've decided to switch to Davinci Resolve for all of our YouTube video editing. Now, I've been a Premiere Pro guy for a really long time and I love the program and I love Adobe and all the programs that they create. So in this video, I want to share with you the 3 main reasons why I've decided to switch from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve. Hey Brew, welcome back to the channel, Carl here. And on this channel, we help you start and grow your YouTube channel so that you have more time to go hiking in the mountains. Let's get into the 3 main reasons why I've switched to Davinci Resolve. Reason number 1 is the cost factor. Davinci Resolve is completely free. There's the studio version that you have to pay for, but the free version is more than enough to get you started creating amazing YouTube videos. With Premiere Pro, you have to pay the Adobe monthly subscription, and that does start adding up over time. So for me, this was a super simple choice to be able to switch to Davinci Resolve. It's going to reduce our costs in creating these videos for our YouTube channel, which means we can reinvest that money into camera gear and more equipment. And I know what you YouTubers are like. You love buying new lenses, you love buying new cameras, you love buying new sound, and I do too. So that's a no-brainer. Take away one of our monthly subscriptions and put that money towards creating better quality videos for you guys. So if you're into creating better quality videos, smash that like button to let us know. Reason number 2 that we switched to Davinci Resolve is it's an all-in-one platform. Now, Davinci Resolve started out as a purely color grading program and they've moved into the other areas and they've created such an awesome platform where you can do everything in one. You can edit your videos, you can go to your color grading, you can come back to the edit. You can go and edit your audio, you can come back to your edit. And then you can go and do cool stuff in Fusion like titles and animations and graphics animations and then come back to your edits. And you never have to leave Davinci Resolve. Whereas with Premiere Pro, if you want to do audio, you've got to take it into Audition and then bring it back to Premiere Pro. Now, this may not seem too hectic in the beginning, but when you add up the number of videos that we're creating for you guys on this channel, those small things start compounding and building up into hours and even days of wasted time. So I'm super excited to be using Davinci Resolve and to keep everything in one platform because I like to jump in my edits. I like to go and test out the color, come back and carry on with my edits. I like to tweak the audio, come back and carry on with my edit. And that's just the way that I like to do things. So Davinci Resolve suits my editing style much better and I'm super excited to get started in Davinci Resolve. Now, Sam's been telling me for a long time that I need to move over to Davinci Resolve and I dug my heels in for a long time, but he has shown me everything that Davinci Resolve can do and convinced me that it is an amazing platform in order to edit YouTube videos. And that leads us into reason number 3. And reason number 3 why I'm switching to Davinci Resolve is for you guys. Yes, you watching this video. On this channel, all my effort goes into helping you start and grow your YouTube channel. So how do I remove barriers? How do I take away those initial hurdles that you need to get over in order to start creating videos? And editing is a massive one, and the cost of an editing program. With Davinci Resolve being free, it makes the barrier to entry so much less. And that's why I invested all the extra time to learn a brand new editing program so that I can help people like you edit your YouTube videos quicker and easier so that you can create more videos and help you grow your YouTube channel and get you the views that you deserve. So I took hours and hours to learn Davinci Resolve so that I could now share what I've learned with you. And with us using it to edit our YouTube videos, we've learned so much about the program and learned so many cool tips and tricks that I want to share with you. So we've created an entire course to teach you Davinci Resolve from scratch. I'll leave a link to this course in the description down below. Now, we've made sure that it's a quick and easy course to get through. We didn't want to create this mountain of hours of lessons that you have to watch in order to learn Davinci Resolve. You'll easily be able to go through the course within a week or maybe 2 weeks if you're super busy at the moment. And the cool thing about Skillshare is if you use the link down below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial of Skillshare, including my course and all the other amazing courses from other creators on the platform. We use Skillshare and we are on the paid subscription because there's so many cool courses on Skillshare that we love watching week in and week out. We're all about the growth mindset and learning new things so that we can improve these videos and share more with you. And that's the reason why we've decided to learn with Skillshare and have our course of how to edit YouTube videos in Davinci Resolve on Skillshare. So we're super excited to share this course with you, and I can't wait for you to dive into using Davinci Resolve because it's going to help you create better videos quickly and easily, and that's what we really want. We want you starting and growing your YouTube channel so that you can start living a life of freedom and start exploring and adventuring and climbing up mountains. If there's anything specific that you want to learn about Davinci Resolve, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll create a video just for you. If you like this video and it added value, make sure you smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that it needs to recommend this video to new YouTubers to help them start and grow their YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.